Have you ever wondered how the Roman Empire, a civilization that existed over 2,000 years ago, managed to rule vast territories for centuries? Welcome to Cryptic Mystic Vault, where we explore the enigmatic tales and unsolved puzzles of history. This wasn't just a stroke of military genius. It was largely due to their extraordinary abilities in engineering. In the early stages of the Roman Empire, the Romans realized the strategic importance of a well-planned and robust infrastructure. They set the groundwork, quite literally, with the construction of an extensive network of roads and bridges. This wasn't just about getting from point A to point B. These roads were vital lifelines that facilitated the swift movement of troops, goods, and information. Such feats were not achieved overnight, nor were they the results of random acts of construction. They were the product of careful planning, innovative techniques, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. From the flat, straight roads to the marvelously constructed bridges, every element was meticulously designed for durability, efficiency, and strategic advantage. The Romans, in their quest for expansion and dominance, were not just conquerors. They were master engineers. If all roads lead to Rome, then it's the Roman engineers we should thank. These engineers were true masterminds, paving the way for unprecedented connectivity across an empire that stretched from the sun-drenched sands of Africa to the chilly reaches of Britain. Let's talk about one of the most famous Roman roads, the Appian Way. Constructed in the 4th century BC, the Appian Way was a marvel of engineering. It was designed with a multi-layered system, starting with a deep foundation of stones, followed by layers of gravel and sand, topped with large interlocking paving stones. This meticulous construction ensured the roads were durable, able to withstand centuries of use and the elements. But these roads were more than just impressive feats of engineering. They were strategic masterstrokes. Consider the Roman legions, the backbone of the empire's military might. These formidable forces needed to move swiftly and efficiently, and the roads allowed them to do just that. Whether it was a rapid response to a rebellion in a distant province or the routine march of soldiers, the roads facilitated swift, unhindered movement. The roads also played a vital role in the economic life of the empire. They facilitated trade, allowing goods to flow from the furthest corners of the empire to the heart of Rome. This interconnected network of roads brought distant lands closer, knitting together a vast, diverse empire into a cohesive whole. More than just paths, these roads were the veins and arteries of the Roman Empire, driving its heart and fueling its growth. So, the next time you find yourself on a road trip, spare a thought for those Roman engineers who made the first long journeys possible. What flows into a city but never comes out? The answer, for the Romans, was water. In the grand tapestry of Roman engineering, the aqueducts, like the Pont du Gard, were threads of life, bringing a constant supply of fresh water to burgeoning urban landscapes, fueling their growth and ensuring the well-being of their inhabitants. Imagine, if you will, a vast network of stone channels, some above ground, others below, snaking their way from distant springs and rivers, all the way to the heart of Roman cities. The construction of these aqueducts was a marvel of engineering precision, using gravity to guide the water along a gentle gradient. It was a delicate balancing act, one that required an intricate understanding of the natural topography, combined with the Romans' groundbreaking use of hydraulic cement. But these aqueducts weren't merely functional, they were also symbols of Roman power and sophistication. Rising high above the landscape, they were a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of a civilization that dared to bend nature to its will. The impact of this engineering feat cannot be overstated. It was the lifeblood of Roman cities, a vital artery that brought the gift of fresh water to households, public baths, and fountains. This constant supply of water not only quenched the thirst of a bustling populace, but also played a critical role in public health, aiding in sanitation and hygiene. Thus, the Romans turned water into a tool of civilization, a symbol of their engineering genius. From the grandeur of the Colosseum to the majesty of the Pantheon, Roman architecture stands as a testament to their engineering prowess. The Romans not only built structures that have withstood the test of time, but they also introduced architectural forms and construction materials that revolutionized the field of engineering. Innovation was at the heart of Roman engineering. They were masters of concrete, a material that was both strong and versatile. This concrete was not the gray, lifeless substance we're familiar with today, but a vibrant mix infused with volcanic ash that gave it remarkable durability. This allowed the Romans to build structures of unprecedented scale and complexity. The Romans also pioneered architectural forms such as the dome and the arch, both of which are still widely used in modern architecture. The Pantheon, with its massive concrete dome, and the Colosseum, with its complex system of arches, are perfect examples of these innovations. They weren't just feats of engineering, but also works of art that still inspire awe and admiration today. But Roman engineering wasn't just about grand structures. It was also about creating functional and sustainable cities. The Romans carefully planned their cities with a network of streets, markets, and sanitation systems that supported public life. Civic buildings such as forums and basilicas were central to these plans, serving as hubs of political, economic, and social activity. These architectural wonders were not just buildings. They were symbols of Roman power, culture, and civilization. They served a practical purpose, yes, but they also embodied the ideals and aspirations of a society that valued innovation, functionality, and grandeur. In the end, Roman architecture is a testament to the genius of Roman engineering, a testament that continues to echo through the ages. The Roman Empire may have fallen, but its engineering marvels continue to stand, influencing modern infrastructure and engineering practices. The legacy of Roman engineering is a testament to their innovative minds and sheer determination. It's a legacy that is etched not only in the stone of their enduring structures, but also in the principles and practices that continue to shape our world today. Even in their failures, the Romans left behind valuable lessons. The collapse of the Fidenae amphitheater, for instance, led to regulations on construction and public safety that are still observed today. It's a stark reminder that even the greatest empires can falter, but it's through these failures that we learn and grow. Today, we can see the influence of Roman engineering in our roads, bridges, and water systems. The concept of the modern highway owes its existence to the Roman road system. The principles used in the construction of aqueducts guide our water management systems. Even the concrete we use today, though more advanced, is an evolution of the Romans' ingenious mixture. Their architectural innovations, too, continue to inspire. The arches and domes that were a staple of Roman architecture are still prevalent in modern designs. These structures, like the Pantheon and the Colosseum, stand as enduring symbols of Roman engineering prowess and architectural vision. In the grand tapestry of human history, the thread of Roman engineering weaves its way through the ages, reminding us of a time when an ancient civilization built an empire not just through conquest, but through the power of their engineering genius.